Do Not Disturb not working on Xiaomi phone? Hi there, this is Arthur, and here is how you can solve Do Not Disturb won't work on Xiaomi phones. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Remove the cache from your device. Tap and hold the Settings app. Tap App Info. Tap Clear Data. Select Clear All Data. Then tap OK. Quickly after that, please restart your Xiaomi phone. Solution 2. Turn the Do Not Disturb mode from the control center on and off. If this doesn't work, open Settings. Tap About, tap MIUI version, make sure that your device is up to date. After following this process, your problem will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.